hope you get what you're looking for. But babe, with me, you close the door on everything we could.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. For today's video, we're going to open my Shein package. So I already received my Shein package. I ordered clothes for summer. So we will check what is inside of here. I'm so excited because we will see the quality, the textures of the clothes. So this is my package. It's very huge and it's very heavy. It's all summer clothes. So I'm excited to open it. See? Shein. It's not sponsored. I pay everything. What's inside in it. So come on, let's open. Let's go. Let's go cut this one, the plastic. Cut it here, and then first we will see what's inside here. It's heavy, so yeah, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, let's start with this one. Randomly, we will start randomly. This is color blue. Ooh, what is it? What is it? What is it? Wow, this is color blue tops. This is for tops. Tops. It's called tops, yeah? So, oh, I like it. It's like formal clothes. It's nice this summer. What I bought is size, I think this is size M. This is medium size. Like it's this with the button and also the ribbon here at the arm, and the fabric. I like the fabric. It's not see-through. See, you cannot see my hands. So yeah, it's nice. I like it. Very nice. And also the fabric is soft. It's so a bit slippery, but I like the quality of the fabric and the design. It will give you illusion shape because of the design of the clothes. So like that. So okay, I think this will give me illusion shape because of the style. So later we will see. And then next one is this color pink. Let's open this pink clothes here. Oh, there's a ribbon here, and this is dress. Wow, I think I like it. It's very pretty, very nice. See? Wow, and also the texture, I like the fabric. I like the color also and the design. It's very summer. You know, here also there's a bit garter here to hold your arms like that. And also the button. There's also a how do you call it? Garter here at the waistline, so it will give you shape, and also you can put the ribbon. Oh, I'm excited to try this. I like it. It's soft. The fabric is soft, and I think it's not hot. You know, the feeling, the hot feeling when I'm wearing it, because the fabric is soft. It's not cotton, but it's soft. I like it. What do you think? Do you like the color also? Do you think it will fit on me? So, next one. So far, so good. The quality, the color, the design, I like it. Next one is blue again. It seems like I ordered a lot of color blue. But color blue is not my favorite color. But blue color is good. It's nice. Wow, this one. Oh, this one also. Same design that will make your waistline curve. Wow. Wow. I'm excited to try that also. Actually, I noticed all the fabric of the three clothes, they are the same. They are soft. It's a bit stretchable, and also um yeah, not so, not see-through. See, it's not see-through. And also I like the design of this. Actually, the three, I like the design. This one is so nice also. It will give me more shape. And also I like the sleeve, you know, the design like this. It's like a pop sleeve. Yeah. So yeah, nice. Nice one. So far, all goods. The three clothes, all goods. This one also is good. Okay, let's go to the next clothes. Blue is not my favorite, but blue is nice color also for summer. So maybe that's why I ordered a lot of blue. And this one also, clothes. Ah, the same of the pink one. This is the ribbon. But this one is color blue. Same design, but this one is color blue. Which one you like? The blue or the pink one? Me, I like both. Actually, I ordered size medium. Normally, I ordered size medium size because that's my size. Normally, when you are ordering on Shein, you can check size. You know, there's a measurement there, inches or centimeters. So when I ordering clothes from online, I always check that. So the size will fit on me. So I think as of now, or the clothes will fit on me. So this one, blue. Wow. Very maganda. Very nice. Yeah. They are both nice. The pink and the blue one. Same design. So, yeah. That's, as you can see, the fabric is same fabric also. Yeah. Soft. It's not, this one is not stretchable, but it's not see-through. So, it's good. All good. And we can put also the ribbon here because there's a ribbon. This is also is to hold your waistline, to give you more shape like this. So we will try all these clothes and you will see it, guys, if it's fits on me or not. And then I have this. This is color yellow. It seems yellow, but yellow green. More closer to yellow. A belt also with this metal here. Metal. I really like the color. Wow. Oh wait, this one is a bit long. Wow. What do you think, guys? Do you like it? In the long sleeve also. Wow. the garter at waistline area to give you shape, and also the fabric is not stretchable, but it's not see-through. See, but we need to wear some shorts or singlets under. Yeah, it's very nice. I really like it. I'm excited to try this one. Also, I really like the design. It's like flowering design. I like this, the down part, because it seems scared. Nice scared. Wow, 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 wow. This is also size M. Yeah, I think this is M also. I like it. In fairness, I did not smell something strange. They are all no smell. Nothing. Not smell bad. No smell. Nothing. It's nothing. So, yeah. Next. Next. Because I'm excited to try them. So, let's go to the next one. These three, they are all, how do you call that? I will show you because I forgot the quality. Maong. We called it maong. Jeans. Yeah, I remember. Jeans. Wow. God, this seems so big. This is so good. Oh my God, this is so big. This is so big. I cannot wear it for sure. This is so big. It's so long. Look at that. Look. My, it's so huge. And also, it's so huge here. But I will try it later so I can show you guys how it will be. This is called jumper. You know, I want to wear jumper because it's summer, but it seems so big. I don't know. Or maybe now that I'm looking on it, it seems so big. Maybe later it will fit me. I don't know. We will try. Yeah, the color is like greenish color. I don't know how to describe, but look at this. Yeah, but I really like the jeans because it's so soft, but it's not stretchable. But I don't know if it will fit on me. Let's see. It's written fashion jeans, like this. So, I'm worried maybe it will not fit on me, but we will try later. And then let's go to the next one. Next jeans. I hope this one will not disappoint me. I hope so. This one also is wow, I think this one I like it. I think this one will fit me. This is also like jumper but on a skirt design. See? Do you think? It will fit on me? I think so. We will try later. But I really like the color. I like the design also. It's a skirt and there's a pocket here in front, like here, this part, the chest part, there's a pocket. Yeah, I like it. Okay. And also there's a pocket two sides. There's a pocket also. And the button is 3 metal button on both sides. Also at the back there's 2 button, pocket also. Nice. There's a lot of pockets because it's a lot. So the last one is color pink. Pink, but jeans also. I bought a lot of jumper. 3 different colors. Different design. Oh my, this is also, it seems so big. Why? The color is so nice. It's so nice. But why it seems so big and it seems so long? Look, I'm not this tall. If the waistline, all the jumper, if the waistline will fit on me, even it's too long, I will cut it. I will cut it. I hope so we can make a solution for this. If not, what will I do? But this one is very nice. The same also. The pocket here at the chest area. Pocket also at both left and right. And also pocket also at the back part. You know. And the opening is only one side. This zipper that you can open is only on the one side here, like this zipper. The other one is buttons, but this one is zippers. I'm so surprised with the sizes of this, because I'm not that so tall. See? So, but it's okay. We will try. We will see if I can use it. If not, maybe we will return it. I don't know. So, let's see. Are you excited now that I'm going to wear and try it, if it's good, fits on me or not? But because I'm excited. Yay! So, okay, we are finished with the clothes, unboxing with the clothes. Now I have one more here item here. This is sandals. I bought also sandals. I hope the size of this fits me. Ooh, wow, very nice color, oh. It's brown. It's size 38. So nice. Wow, I like it. And also, I didn't notice that there's a bling bling here like this. See? Wow, nice. I really like it. Let's see the other one. It's like made of leather. But you know, it's not the real one. For sure, it's not the real leather. So, yeah. Good for summer. So, okay, let's go and try. So, this is the first clothes. As you can see, there's a ribbon here, pouch, sleeve, and the shape here giving me curve, and at the back, like this. See? I like it. It really fits on my body, these clothes. Yeah, and this fabric also is a bit stretchable, so it fits me here very well. So it's like hugging my body. Yeah. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, this is the second clothes. So it seems almost same design as the first one. The only difference, this one is square, the other one is like V shape. The sleeve also is pop. But there's no ribbon. But I like it. It's very nice. It's also hugging my figure, my body. Look. What do you think? This one, there's no color. The first one, there's a color. So, I like it also. It's very nice.
So don't let me see your name lighting on my phone when it was you.
Good. I like it. This is also there's ruffle here. So let's go to the third one. So yeah, this is the third clothes. So I put the ribbon like this. Okay. Okay. This is how is it. At the back. In front. Sleeve with garter here. The length also good length. Below the knee. Yeah. Do you think it fits on me? Let's go to the next one.
That would make you smile. I'll bring you flowers, girl. Enough to see for miles. Something's changed, baby, this I know. Summer rains turn to winter snow, but I promise you for sure, girl, my love is always yours. Something's changed, baby, this I know. Summer rains turn to winter snow, but I promise you for sure, girl, my love is always yours. I love your style, and I love your grace.
Press the backs of our hands together. It's still wet, so the ink should transfer. Meet me at the side door. We'll sneak onto the main floor. All night, let's take a shot. Keep moving and we won't get caught. Take a long way home. Tonight we're free to roam. Everything's gonna be alright. Just let go, enjoy the ride. To the top of the world tonight. We're never coming down. Never coming down. No, we're never coming down. Never coming down. High on life, got a good buzz going. I've got no way of knowing what tomorrow's gonna bring me. Not gonna worry. Everything's gonna be alright. Just let go, enjoy the ride. To the top of the world tonight. We're never coming down. Never coming down. No, we're never coming down. Never coming High on life, got a good buzz going. I'm never